Hi everyone, it's Hetty. I just left St. Vincent's Hospital in Bridgeport. I had a total hip replacement on my right hip, and I'll be out of commission for a couple of weeks. Actually, I'll be out of commission more than that, but I'll be able to do a jig when I'm done. The worst part, I can't have wine for 6 weeks.
Oh boy.
Holy cow. I'll try to do a video because I'm at my daughter's. She lives in Connecticut, and she's close to the hospital. So maybe I'll do a video from there.
You can do some
we'll
updates.
see. Yeah, I'll keep you updated. I'm sorry, between my vacation and my hip replacement, but life goes on. Anyway, I'll see what I can make for you for my daughters, and we'll take it from there.
God bless.
Bon appetit. I'll see you in a little while, hopefully. It's hard for me because there's a lot of pain. I'll be a little drugged up from the oxycodone. So if I slur a little bit, please don't hold it against me. Goodbye.